To create a poll, sign into the session as a moderator and click Create. You can attribute a poll to a specific presenter for organizational purposes, but this is completely optional. In the first box, enter the poll question. Entering extended information can be helpful if the poll question includes in-depth details or describes a scenario. For example, I could ask, which direction should Sierra go? Then I'd use the extended information box to add more detail. If Sierra travels north, she'll reach Rohan. If she travels east, she'll reach Mordor. She'll find the Ethring Road if she travels south, and if she travels west, she'll find Gondor. To add an image, check the box and drag and drop the image file. The primary display of the poll will only include the main poll question, which direction should Sierra go? While the question, the extended information, and the image will be displayed on audience members' devices. Several poll formats are available to choose from. By selecting a multiple choice poll format, we first need to decide whether the attendees can only select one answer or mark all that apply. And if the poll has a correct answer, I could check the box and later mark which of the answers is correct. The next step is to enter the responses the audience members will choose from. I'll enter north, south, east, and west. With a multiple choice poll, the results can be displayed as either a pie chart or a bar chart. If the audience was selecting from only 2 to 3 possible answers, either of these displays would work. But since a pie chart could look a little cramped with more than that, I'll select a bar chart as the display. Going back to the other poll format options. The open-ended short answer poll is another flexible option, and the results can be displayed as a word cloud, Wordle, in a list, or as thought bubbles. Open-ended polls are unique because you have the option to limit attendees to one response or have a broader discussion by inviting them to submit multiple responses. The numerical average poll is somewhat self-explanatory, but is another option that can be used in a variety of ways. For example, how many years have you served as a Philadelphia firefighter? For the first response value, I'll enter 1, and as the last response value, I'll enter 25. As attendees respond to the polls, an average sum of the responses will be displayed. And finally, the brainstorming poll. This format is probably the most unique of the polling options. In addition to participating in the brainstorming session, audience members will also be able to like or thumbs up other ideas that have been submitted. The final step for each of these poll formats is deciding whether or not to display the poll results on audience members' devices. And click Create.